Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to link your withdrawal address on your CTO token. Now, before you do that, make sure you have gone to Play Store to download MetaMask, because in this video, I am going to be using MetaMask. Now, you go to your Satoshi menu. When you go to your Satoshi menu, you click on Project. When you click on Project, you look for CTO banner. This is the banner here. You click on this banner. Now, when you click on this banner, you go down, you will see the contract address. This is a CTO contract address. But for those of you that have not added core network in MetaMask, I'm going to show you how you can add core network in your MetaMask. You see this link here, you click on this link. When you click on this link, use your MetaMask browser to open this link. You click on the MetaMask browser, use it to open this link. So when you click on the MetaMask browser, you wait for it to load. So you can see it's loading. Now this is the call network browser. This is the page. So you come down. When you come down, you look for add core network. This is add core network. You click on it. Then you switch the network to core network. You switch it. You can see core network added to MetaMask. Now you click on your wallet. This is your wallet. You click on it. You can see the core network here. You can see I've added all these other tokens here. So when you open your own, you are not going to see all this. All you just have to do is to click on import tokens. You click on import tokens, and then you paste the contract address. That contract address, CTO contract address, you paste it here. I'm going to drop the contract address in the video description, so you just have to copy it. You come and paste the contract address here. You paste it here. So when you paste it here, you are going to see this. It's going to display the name. You can see CTO. You can see the decimal. Then you click on next. When you click on next, you click on import tokens. Then you click on import. You can see, so it's going to import now. Now you can see your CTO token here is on the downside. So you click on it. When you click on it, you click on receive. You click on receive to see your address. So you copy this. When you copy this, you go back to your Satoshi app. Now we are going back to Satoshi app. This Satoshi app, we go down. So we go back to wallet. Then you look for CTO. You click on CTO. Then you click on link withdrawal address. Then you paste your address here. This is your address. Then you put your Satoshi password. So when you put your Satoshi password, you click on CTO link withdrawal address. You click on it. So you can see link withdrawal address, withdrawal address. You can see the withdrawal address here. Confirm. You click on confirm. Then they are going to send you a code to your email. So when you copy the code from your email and you have confirmed it, you are going to receive this message: CTO withdrawal address link is successful. Then you close. So you are not supposed to do it again. You already done that. So you go back to your Satoshi menu, and then you continue claiming this other airdrop. Remember that we still have other airdrop that we are claiming on Satoshi app. We have the H1 and we have the AKKA tokens. You can see down here, this one, and then we have this one. So make sure you are farming this airdrop. Make sure you are getting this airdrop. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe so that when next I post another video, you will get a notification.